Welcome to another vlog. Good morning, everyone. This is your boy Chazer. Today we're gonna be exploring the Salang beach. So this is the Erang jetty to pass through in order to go to Tioman.
Good morning.
Good morning, dudes. Hey bro, what time did you reach?
6 o'clock.
Oh, that's great. What time is our jetty? Like what time we gonna take our boat?
7:30.
7:30. That's great. How much is the ticket?
35.
35 ringgit. One way or return? One way. One way. Oh, that's great. That's great. Kind of considerable because if you are traveling to most of the islands in Malaysia, it's gonna cost you the same. So we just received our tickets. Mentioned that you also have to pay for the Marine Park reservation fee, which is 15 ringgit for the foreigners. For the locals, is 5 ringgit only. That's a lot. Welcome to Salang! Even the cats are doing yogas these days. Oh, someone seems cuddly. Who wants some cuddles with this cat? No partner, single life, forever single. Right now we are still at the island and we'll be going for the snorkeling trip. So we are taking a short trip which is gonna be about 3 or 4 hours. Kind of like a whole day trip that they're calling because we are a bit late actually. So this trip is gonna cost us about 70 ringgit and it's all inclusive of your life jacket or your mask, snorkel mask. So thanks to my kaka. What's your name?
Right.
Right, so make sure to come to her shop and check out her snorkeling packages. They are super cool and very cheap prices. Make sure to take from her. Yeah. And make sure.
Hey, snorkeling! Whoa!
I just met my new friend here.
Yeah.
You are?
Peter, Mikhail.
Peter.
Wow. You've come a long way.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, you've come a long way from. So thank you for coming to Tioman.
Welcome, man.
Thank you for coming to
my
my
pleasure.
island.
Yeah. Ishtiaq, practicing your snorkel mask. How do you feel? Like sucking the snorkel?
It's salt.
It is very salty?
Don't know how.
And I'm ready to snorkel right now. So this is gonna be our first spot, and I just have to like dive into the beautiful blue crystal clear water. I gotta be an Aquaman. Even with creativity, you can make your trash bin look awesome and beautiful with arts. Guys, would you look at that? The swarm of the fishes. Wow, that's the biggest fish school I have ever seen in my whole life. Just look at that. Hey guys, it's another day at Pulau Tioman, and today we're gonna have a party, but this is not an ordinary party. It's a bread party, and we invited about thousands of fishes to join our party. And look at that, my man Shireen, right? He is being very generous to feed the fishes in order to take some benefits from the fishes, you know. Okay. Yes, you are totally qualified to be on our dinner plate. I just caught my first fish. Woohoo! See, this fish totally died because of not knowing how to swim.